Good evening. My name is Clayson Jimenez. I am industrial engineering student group and my group is 212032 script 181 and the company that I select is called Imperial Bakery. With over 30 years of experience, a baker, Moises Pineda, Moy and his family bring you a delicious selection of artisan baked goods to enjoy. Moy is considered an international baker. Cakes, breaks, and desserts have been a part of Moy's life since he lived in Mexico. When he immigrated to United States, he brought his love of baking with him to New York, later establishing roots in Hillsborough. La Imperial is a family business where family values are a priority and all all golden rule with the importance of uploading this family values. Moy and his family make sure to help others in the community as well. Where this sponsoring community events or helping other business owners. Over the years, La Imperial Bakery has embedded its health in the community, becoming a mainstay in Hillsborough. Key parts, raw material supplies, cover service for product delivery, supplies of machinery and equipment, suppliers of clothing for kitchen equipment. Key activities, the products warranty, delicious may taste. The decoration of the products is personally innovative. Marlow proposal. With the products, the client will feel satisfied and happy to obtain what he expects. In addition, the products will always be delivered with the best quality standards regarding presentation, flavor, and price. How the flowers are conventional, they are different from any Texas since they are homemade and their presentations are innovative. A customer relationship, customer loyalty, allowing to choose the company over competitors. Maker segment. A woman who want to buy personalized products for special occasions or events. People who wish to give a personalized bakery product for any occasions companies. Key resources, negotiation and distribution strategy, social networks, channels, physical contact through visits by the client, virtual contact through social networks, cost structure, production costs, raw material labor, variable costs depend on the volume of orders, sources of income, on requests 50 payments, 15 payments, discounts by volume of purchase. Advance Advance have supplies the supplies continuations and other offer adequate finishing conditions. Have technical sheets for the preparations of each of the products. A development of an inventory control system that having the necessary supplies and the time and quality required. The development of a strict quality control system with standards, weights, and measures for the most important includes the development of a control system that reduces wasting in the production of products. Disadvantage: bikers are a volume business. There is a large number of lost by so the probability of the business is increasing. However, if the sale of other products is considered such as butter, margarine, milk, eggs, napkins, jams, ham, cheese, juice, and soft drinks, the profitability of the business can increase considerably. The entry of competitions due the existence of unsatisfied demand, the attractiveness of the business. Bakery products made with raw materials from the region and low productions, thus competition that have been in the market loaded and have a greater customer coverage could develop strategies that try to drive the company out of the market. For example, lowering the price of bread, asking suppliers not to serve the need. Okay, thank you.